Yeah, hello friends. We have Dr. Shamita Zadav with us, and she is the Deputy Director of Symbiosis Institute of Health Sciences, one of the very renowned institutes of the Western India from Pune, Maharashtra. We are glad and we welcome you at the New Normal Education Leadership Summit and Awards, ma'am.
Thank you so much. At the outset, I would want to, say thank you, much gratitude for welcoming us, especially after the COVID pandemic. It has been a long time when we haven't really met face to face, and ADACOM has, organized this program in such detail. I'm really thank you and congratulate you. We have many vice chancellors and deans and directors and of course CEOs of various high-level education organizations in India. So wonderful.
So, ma'am, according to you, what does the new normal stands for? How do you elaborate a new normal in your sense of understanding?
Oh, new normal is new. Come to think of it, because diseases, I must not say diseases, but situations, situations that led us to build up on the education. And new normal has come up with a new education policy. So I think that is what we welcome. We welcome Prime Minister's vision to establish this at this particular time when India is going through, such a turmoil. Especially the youngsters, they have participated in education at a very early age, and they have really not been able to meet each other. However, at Symbiosis, if I talk about Symbiosis Institute of Health Sciences and of course Symbiosis International University, we getting students virtually long before the other universities had, and we have developed a faculty development program which is very intense. All the faculty have undergone this even before the students were taught about how virtual classrooms are. And it is, I think it is only because of this that the students have met. In fact, at this point of time, we are getting to meet even people out of India, educationists out of India. We have been getting the best of educationists on our campus virtually, and this is an opportune moment to collaborate. That's what, Symbiosis is all about.
So much, ma'am. Such an insightful thought you have just given about the event. How does such kind of get-together or an education forum helps academicians and educators?
Oh, actually, this is a wonderful opportunity because this is the first time, in fact, where educationists are meeting face-to-face. Really take place, out of the classrooms, out of the boardrooms, and in between, conference bites. Yeah. So that is where the collaborations really happen. Yeah. So I'm really thankful to ADACOM.
Yeah. Any message or any advice would you like to give to ADACOM Media, ma'am?
Oh, ADACOM has grown from Pune. That's what you said. And we are, of course, from Pune, and you may grow strong and stronger. And Symbiosis International University will always be there to partner with you.
Great. Thank you so much for being a part of this event, ma'am, and having your important time been, dedicated and devoted to this event. Thank you so much for coming, ma'am.
Thank you so much.